Hey, it is Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket, and today we're talking about the Smittybilt Overlander Tent. Let me ask you a question. How many times has this happened to you? You're out, you're camping, you're having a good time. Maybe you're fishing, maybe you're hunting, maybe you want to get a little frisky with the lady and you want to set up your tent. But all of a sudden it takes 45 minutes. You got this pole here and this pole there and duct tape, and where's this going? I can't fit this in. Stop it! And get the Smittybilt Overlander Tent, my friends. Once this is on your truck or your Jeep or your SUV, boom! Just like that, it pops out. You can go inside and do whatever you want to do. We have the gigantic box right here, and we're going to pop this off. But it's so big and girthy, we're going to need some help. Cory! Cory! Go, there you are. All right, let's do it. Piece it. Get shot. How do we get this out, Cory? Don't, oh God, don't put your parts in there. Oh, okay. Oh. Well, what the world we do with this? We just leave this on here? Gonna leave this on here. Smittybilt Overlander Tent. I know what you're thinking to yourself, man. That is big, that is girthy, that is a sexy ass tent, but I want to know more about it. I'll tell you more about it. This thing is waterproof. Now, like I was saying earlier, you can leave this on your vehicle. It has an all-terrain cover, so once it's on, bingo, bongo, it pops out. Doesn't matter if you're doing some impromptu fishing, maybe your old lady threw you out of the house and you just want to go have some brewskis with the boys. And by the boys, I'm talking about the fish, the turtles, and all those forbidden memories. You can do so by popping out the Outlander. Talking about waterproof, baby. Nor rain, nor shine, nor snow. I was gonna say hell, but I don't know. But hey, you're probably going through that anyway if your old lady kicks you out of the house. Also, this is made from heavy-duty, good polyester. I'm talking maybe you've had yourself a crazy little night, you've had a few too many drinks, you stumble in. This thing ain't made some flimsy, flamsy little flu material. This is hardcore. It sets up. Now, it also sleeps 2 to 3 people, okay? So let's say maybe after your woman throws you out, you go find yourself another lady. Maybe there's a couple. I'm not judging. It's 2018, Dad. 2 to 3 people inside of this bad boy. It doesn't matter how much you weigh because it has a weight rating of 661 pounds, okay? So maybe you're a little more petite gentleman like me and you like larger ladies or whatever you want to do. This can handle that as well. And let's say you buy this thing and due to an act of God, it rips in the first 6 months, maybe a year. It comes with a 1-year warranty. So you can sleep easy, especially after having that quart of scotch because you can't find your way home and you're sleeping in this bad boy right here. And finally, you want to talk about the durability and the workmanship of this thing? It's got steel hinges, man. Yeah, none of that flimsy, flamsy little plastic crap. I'm talking this is real. What do you say we take a look at what's inside of this bad boy, huh? First of all, let's just take a look and notice this right here. How many tents do you ever see that have a solid base? That's durability. Okay, so we're gonna come around here and we're gonna take off the straps, and I'm actually gonna show you what's inside of the tent and all the cool stuff that comes with this tent too. So easy peasy Velcro. Thank you very much, Mr. Cory. We're gonna lift this up now. This front is gonna be clipped in here. We're just gonna get rid of that, boom. And now let's unzip the tent. Yeah. What about that screen door, huh? Reminds you of Grandma's house. All right, and first of all, we got a ladder in this bad boy. I mean, that right there, alone should show you the quality of this product. I mean, I could probably have some kind of ladder match, maybe a tables, ladders, and chairs match, Cory. He used to be a pro wrestler back in the day. What was your name? The Undertaker? Look him up. He got pretty big. So if we get inside of here, though, in addition to the ladder, what is this right here? What's this, Cory? What do we have here? Look, it's in a fancy little sack. A little sack, Cory. A sack. Let's look inside. Cory, help me with a knot. Help me. Cory was a Boy Scout. You know that he was a professional Boy Scout for a long time. All right, and look at that. We got some hooks. Now that is high quality hookmanship right there. Gold. It's hard. Huh? Feel that, Cory. Yeah, he's tough. All right, now, also, what is this? We got a leather little gimmick here, huh? Ooh, that's pretty nice, right? You could put your portfolio in there. Yeah, Cory used to actually be a lawyer before he was disbarred. And what is this? Holy cow, hot dog, a tent cover. We were just talking about this, so once you got this bad boy installed, you could put this over top of it, and all of that weather is not gonna screw your tent up. And the weather's looking pretty nasty this week, isn't it? Cory is a full-time meteorologist. Now, we got some side plates in there. What do side plates do, Cory? Makes your tent bulletproof. Actually, probably not. Don't look at that. And we got another sack here. Let's reach inside the sack. Oh, look at this. We got the screws and the gimmicks. Big old razor blade, huh? Cory, you need some of that, don't you? He's got a little, okay. All right, and let's just look further inside of here. We still got more stuff. We got this inside of this sack. Look at this, a cord. What's going on here, Cory? You've been playing Nintendo? He used to be a professional game creator. So, all of this cool stuff inside of the tent, and we're just going to go ahead and put all this up here to show you what this comes with, man. I mean, really, any kind of tent need that you could possibly have. Look at that. Look at all of this. All of this comes inside of the tent. So, if you want to get this bad boy, which also includes a 60mm high-density foam mattress, that's right, the mattress comes inside of it. As a matter of fact, you could probably sleep on top of it. Pick it up at MidwestAftermarket.com. And as always, if you have any questions, pick up the phone and give us a call. I'm Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket, and we'll see you next time.